Imagine a life where money is no longer something you worry about. Your bills are paid, your investments are growing, and your time belongs completely to you. No stress about the next paycheck, no fear of unexpected expenses, just freedom. But financial freedom doesn't happen randomly. There are actually 7 levels of financial freedom, and each level moves you closer to complete control over your life. The question is, which level are you on right now? Let's find out. Level 1. Financial dependence. The first level is where many people begin. This is called financial dependence. At this stage, a person depends heavily on someone else for financial support. For example, students depend on parents. Some adults depend on family members. Others depend completely on government support. There is usually little income and no financial control. While this stage is normal early in life, staying here for too long can limit your independence. The goal at this level is simple. Start earning and learning how money works, because financial education is the first step toward freedom. Level 2. Financial survival. Now imagine someone who earns money, but just barely. Every month feels like a race against bills. Rent is due, groceries are expensive, transportation costs keep rising, and by the end of the month, there's almost nothing left. This is the survival stage. Millions of people live here. A single emergency, cruci like a car repair or medical bill, can completely destroy their finances. The key objective here is stability. That means creating a basic budget, avoiding unnecessary debt, and slowly building your first savings. Even saving a small amount consistently can begin moving you to the next level. Level 3, financial stability. At this level, something powerful starts to happen. You are finally able to pay your bills consistently. You may not feel rich yet, but you are no longer constantly stressed about money. You start developing better financial habits. You track your spending. You avoid impulse purchases, and you begin setting small financial goals. Many people at this stage also start building an emergency fund. Even having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved can dramatically reduce financial stress. Stability creates something extremely valuable: peace of mind. Level 4, debt freedom. This is where things start changing dramatically. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Credit cards, personal loans, and high-interest debt quietly drain your income every month. But once you eliminate these debts, something incredible happens. You suddenly have more control over your money. Instead of paying interest to banks, you can begin investing in yourself and your future. Many people describe this stage as financial breathing room. Your income finally starts working for you, not against you. Level 5, financial flexibility. Now you're entering a level that many people never reach. At this stage, your money begins to generate additional income streams. Maybe you have investments in stocks, maybe you own rental property, maybe you run a small online business or earn affiliate income. The key difference is this: your income no longer comes from just one source. And because of that, you gain something incredibly valuable: choice. You could reduce your working hours, you could start a passion project, or even switch careers without panic. Money starts giving you options in life. Level 6, financial independence. This is the level most people dream about. Financial independence means your passive income covers your living expenses. Your investments generate enough money to support your lifestyle. So technically, you no longer need a job. You can still work if you want to, but now work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Many people reach this stage through long-term investing, real estate, business ownership, or multiple passive income streams. And once you reach this level, your most valuable asset becomes clear. Not money, time. You finally control how you spend your life. Level 7, generational wealth. The final level goes far beyond personal freedom. This is generational wealth. At this stage, your financial systems are strong enough to support not only you, but your children, grandchildren, and future generations. Families that reach this level focus on things like long-term investments, trust funds, businesses that outlive them and philanthropic impact instead of just earning money. They build wealth ecosystems, the kind that can last for decades or even centuries. This level isn't just about comfort, it's about legacy. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Financial freedom is not a single moment, it's a journey through these 7 levels. And every person on earth is currently standing on one of these steps. Some are surviving, some are stabilizing, some are building wealth. But the good news is this: no matter where you start, you can always move one level higher, because financial freedom doesn't come from luck, it comes from knowledge, discipline, and consistent action. And the earlier you start, the faster your money begins working for you. If you want to learn more about wealth systems, passive income, and financial intelligence, make sure to subscribe, because the goal isn't just to make money. The goal is to build a life where money no longer controls you. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.